Hello everybody, this is Buji from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to work with the Dewalt planner, model number DW734. This planner got stuck at the depth control. I'm not able to control anymore the depth because this planner was sitting in my shop from a couple of months and I was not using it. Since I made this my flip tool stand and I start using it, but when I tried to first time it was stuck. I'm not able to control any more depth. If you see, there's a locking mechanism inside. If you push down is lock, if you open is unlock, and then you should able to spin this knob easily like with one hand, and it should go up and down. So what I found, it was sitting in my shop from long time, and over time there's a four shaft, all the corners they are really rusted. I was thinking that's a stainless steel, but I think it is not. It's metal or something. So to control depth I have to force a lot. So now let's see what we can do about it, how we can fix. So first we're gonna remove all the top and side covers. For that one we're gonna use Allen wrench and Allen screwdriver to remove 4 screws on the top. Once you remove all the 4 screws from the top, then there is a 4 more screws on all sides, all corners. Those are a Phillips screwdriver we're gonna use to remove it. To remove all sides, that's all 8 screws we have to remove it. Once you're done, you can simply pick up from the top cover, then side will come apart by itself. Now we already access to the motor and all shaft on the sides. If you look clearly, actually those shaft got rusted sitting in my shop with moisture or something. I was thinking those are stainless steel, but I think I was wrong. Those are not stainless steel or something. It look like stainless steel, but they're really bad rusted. So now I have to clean those one. To clean those one, I'm going to use my drill and wire brush. I don't want to use sandpaper because sandpaper, the one I have, is really thick and I don't want to make a scratch on those shaft, and because those shaft there's a motor and they have some kind of bushing running through the shaft, and maybe it's not gonna be nice to use a sandpaper, but I'm going to use a wire brush. Once I clean all the area I can access, then I will move up and down and try to clean the rest of area. Once I done cleaning with the wire brush, I clean with the towel, and now I'm lubricating all 4 shafts to make it a little bit more easier up and down. I think now I have to do regularly after use. I have to clean those shafts, or anytime after like a month or 2 months I have to keep lubricating those shafts so it don't get rusted again. Now I was able to move a little bit downward and upward, so all the area left I will clean it again and lubricate again. Then I think those shafts were the issue, so my thickness planner was not able to move, it was stuck. So after cleaning out, we will put all pieces together and I believe it's ready to use. Now I tested my planner was running smooth up and down, and now time to put all the covers back. First we're gonna put side covers, then the top covers, and we're gonna put all the screw back as manner we took it off. First we're gonna put 4 screws on the side with the Phillips screwdriver, then top 4 screws with the Allen wrench. Once I was trying to put Allen screws on the top, it was really difficult for me because motor was sitting on the bottom, and all shaft was not lining to the holes. So what I did, I picked up that motor up like using depth control handle, and then the all shaft got lined really good to the holes, and that would make my job really easy. So once we done, we put all screws back. I tested it working perfect, and now my planner is running smooth up and down. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.